Nag-book na talaga yung iba sa amin.
Akala mo maandar yan. Kaya,
Akala niyo, ang problema ni Kuya ko at saka si Janelle, paano yung mga dala-dala natin.
ganda oh.
Oh, it's very nice! Bakit? Ala, ang ganda. Siguro if it's nighttime, it's maganda, no?
May mga lights pa.
Ayan, balik tayo dito. We are still in Sharjah. Still traveling. I've seen that mosque. That was a very nice mosque. Ayan. We are now in Ras Al Khaimah. Yan. Lapis na po kami.
That's my signboard.
Going out to this patio. It's still hot actually. Just me, Marimar. It's really hot. But you have to just open this. And you can see that you can walk from here. There are lots of villas actually here. Okay. Yun. But I guess it's just too hot. It's too hot to stay here